everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn a French nursery rhyme called Frere Jacques. This nursery rhyme was composed by Jean-Philippe Rameau in the 18th century. Let's get started. Alright, so Frere Jacques uses notes from the F major scale, or we're in the key of F major. So let's remember our F major scale. We have one B flat, right? So let's try playing it. I'll play with my left hand this time for fun. So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, back down, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. We remember. Okay, time signature 4/4. We have 4 beats per measure and the quarter note gets the beat. Let's take a quick peekaboo. Ah, look at all these eighth notes. So that means we are going to subdivide when we count. All right, so I'm going to play and count the right hand. Now, you'll notice that there is some left hand crossover. That's fun, but I'm going to leave it out for now, and we're just going to play the melody with the right hand. I'm going to count that. Okay, we'll do that. Ooh, we'll count these subdivisions and play that. Now, here, there is a left hand crossover. Well, sort of crossover, but I have to play it for it to make sense. So I'm going to play the left hand there, okay? Now, in the third system, we're going to switch, and the left hand is going to play the melody. So we'll stop there, and then we'll do that separately, okay? All right, my friends, follow along with your eyes. I'm not going to point. I am just going to play. I will count off 4 for you, and then we'll come in. Ready? So we're going to come in right there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... All right, friends, now we're gonna play the melody in the left hand. Okay, so it's always fun when we get melody in the left hand. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna have that crossover thing, and we're gonna play it just like we played it up here. It's gonna be right, left, right, and the same register. Okay, so let's try it. Follow along with your eyes, and I will count and play for you. I'll count off 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so as we try to put them together, we'll see that the left hand in the beginning is just a chord, and then it crosses over. It's going to be over our right hand up here. Okay, and then we're going to see that again. And I like playing that with 1 and 3. You can play whatever's comfortable for you. Okay. And you're going to play that all the way through this first system. Now, in the second system, we're just going to play the C and the F. Right? Until we get here, and then we have that melody, right? Right, there you go. Okay. Now, when we get to the left hand melody, we're going to see the right hand crossover. So here's the melody, right? We're going to have the right hand crossover here, and then have the right hand cross over to the chord, right? As the left hand is playing the melody. And you're going to keep seeing that. So third finger down on this F, and then up here, and you're going to keep doing that. It's the same pattern over and over, right? And the same thing. Okay? And then, while we're playing that fun 8th note pattern in our left hand, we're going to have those single notes, kind of like this, but in reverse, right? So we're going to have 1, 5, 1, 5, and then we have that same little melody switching back and forth with the F, C, F, F, C, F, and that's the end. Okay, now here's a fun thing. It says con pedal, with pedal, okay? And there's no other markings for it, so it means you get to experiment. So it says experiment using the sustain pedal throughout the song. So you're gonna hold it down and you're gonna lift it up when you think it sounds right. So go ahead and play with that. Hold it down for as long as you like, and then lift it, and you'll see sometimes it starts to sound all muddled if you hold it for too long. So then you lift it and see if it sounds better, okay? Good luck! So today we learned Frere Jacques, and we got to do some fun hand crossover, very fancy, and we got to experiment with the sustain pedal. So remember, practice all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!